The High Court in Harare has ruled in favor of the CCC and has stopped any more further recourse from the Interim Secretary General, who is Sengezo Tshabangu. This comes after the CCC filed a court application at the Supreme Court in order to challenge what Sengezo Tshabangu's position in the party is. Latest recalls by Sengezo Tshabangu were 13 MPs, including the spokesperson for CCC, Gift Ostalo-Siziba. Earlier today, some MPs were seen in the new parliament and they were talking to Jacob Mdenda, the Speaker of Parliament, over the latest development from Sengezo Tshabangu. Tell me what you think about this development from the CCC. Does this mean that the courts are not captured as they say, or it is because the CCC failed to submit a proper High Court application? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section.